Make fart be free?
I'd kill me early.
Make fart be free, guys.
But make sure so when you fart, I fart.
What's up,
If it
guys?
feel funny like I kind of real fart, no fart. Especially if you're there road.
Morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Or good afternoon or good night, depends on where you are. We're gonna go live one day on YouTube, yeah? You know, like live. Yeah, you're the chair, right? We need to take up that chair. Too noisy. Alright, guys, so we are gonna talk today about some Duppy story.
Yeah, Duppy.
Yeah. Who know what is Duppy? Anybody know what is Duppy? Growing up at Jamaica.
Nobody don't know what is Duppy. Them only hear about Duppy.
Yeah.
And believe in it.
And just believe that Duppy exists.
Yeah, nobody don't know Duppy.
I don't know if
Some people get some experience they have when they're blind, you know,
Yeah.
so then they encounter with Duppy.
definitely me grew up believing that Duppy is real. Me believe 100% as a child that Duppy is real. This chair
So
is
about
so
now?
annoying.
What about now?
No, me not believe that Duppy exists.
Or Duppy did exist one time, but they don't exist now. Or they exist certain place when
No,
when
come-
the light not there.
Me don't know about that. Me don't know. This chair is very annoying. Very annoying. So people believe, well, me not know if Duppy exists, but when me I say, me not believe now, say Duppy exists. I mean, I want to believe say Duppy exists. Me don't want to believe, because me believe say when you're dead, you're dead. So, you're not supposed to come back here, so come antagonize nobody. That is my belief now. But growing up as a child, yes, me believe say Duppy exists. Oh my gosh. There was a time when my auntie did I get she a Christian, and she wake up out of we sleep, because we live in this nice little 2-bedroom house, you know, one wall we pack up in there, you know, man, as brother, sister, uncle, and auntie, and grandfather and grandmother, and every little thing where we used to hear, we have a wood fire outside kitchen. Every little thing where we used to hear out a door mash, pan trash, we used to face here Duppy. But this specific night, when me really believed like Duppy was real, my auntie get in a spirit, jump out of her sleep, and I get in a spirit. And me I tell you, say, there is this other auntie where me have miles away where you could have hear, you know, because you see through the country bush so quiet. She there so far away you could have hear her get in a spirit and I come over which part with there, you know. Like she get in a spirit because they said the Duppy a come. The spirit different from Duppy, whatever. The spirit was coming towards our house. And she get up out of her sleep and I run the Duppy them with my auntie. Yo, that night was epic for me. Them time them me young, you know, in my teens, maybe like about 14, so and my auntie was in them same age group there. I tell her, when you hear her getting, when you look on her and see cold water run off her and she are getting a spirit and she not in her right sense, she not in her right mind, whatever that was, that was powerful. But as a child growing up, like when you're outside, when you're outside, is like I will hear trash, mash, we think of Duppy. When we look around and we not see nothing, we always used to think of Duppy. Always. All when a bullfrog, I jump on trash. And we not see and we look down, if we not see the bullfrog right away because of darkness and them something there, we think of Duppy.
Duppy, a woman get the most bad name.
Tell me why.
Duppy, a woman, because when you're afraid, back in the days when you're afraid and the least you could think, the least you could shuffling, the least you could sound, the quickest thing you can say Duppy.
Yeah.
And they know that I want bad name, and they know most man tell like a woman, so them get it from the woman and then I get it.
That's true. Come and tell like me already.
So Duppy and woman bear the most bad name.
Man tell like me already.
But anyway, me used to afraid when I youth. Nah lie, me used to afraid. Remember back in the days, my mother had my mother uncle, which is my granduncle. My mother used to take care of him. He did sick and him passed on. When him passed on, me and my brother and sister them. My mother at the head of the house. Me and my brother and sister them. Me had the second to me had two more younger ones there for me. So it's like five kids in the house. And my mother. Remember back in that time, my granduncle is just dead, man, I tell you. You never know, say, somebody could have freed someone and survive. Me the swear said, Duppy that'll kill me. We got dead from Duppy. The way we did afraid. Me did swear say, like, we'd have got to do something to protect ourselves from the man there. Mm-hmm. Not saying he's a wicked man when him there alive, but knowing say, him did the right, the son, him did living at the house, and him
dead.
Him never dead in the house. Yes, him dead in the house. Mm-hmm. Yes, him dead in the house.
Because most time back then, the people just dead in the house.
Yeah, him dead in the house and then come for him.
Yeah.
So, and then we have like a nephew now, my big sister's son. Him grow him, and my granduncle grow him, So, well, grow him in a sense where he used to take care of him, my baby, until him reach a stage where him just start talk. Mm-hmm. So we used to hear him say, see Baba there on a pint. Yo, the same time we hear Sean say that. See Baba there on a pint, so. Yeah. Wouldn't be that now, babe. Remember that. And the whole of we are bungling in one room, possible on one bed. And guess what the worst thing about it? If the headers, that's why they say, if the head of the stream dirty, the river, the whole river got dirty, because my mother at the head of the household, and she had to free this one. So what you expect with we as our people? We look for she for protection. We look for her for protection, even though he's a woman. But if she afraid and wrap up on the sheet and the one, where we are going? If you just switch up back her, same way. I'm afraid, same way. Yeah, man, I tell you, who is the bathroom, and the worst thing about it, the bathroom and the kitchen, they are now one. We don't have to go outside for either of them. Everything they now one. But you see, when we in the living, 2-bedroom, so when we in the bedroom, them, that's it. Once it dark up, that's it. If a body try bathe before it get dark. And then when you're lucky in man, I was lucky go out in one room and lucky in any little sound you hear out there, man.
Yeah.
Me the swear the Duppy I got kill with.
Wow.
Do you ever did afraid and me did think like believing in this whole Duppy thing and
yeah, we grew up believing in Duppy.
You see, from my grandfather dead now, which is my mother. Father.
Yeah.
Them tell me I talk about from the early 80s though,
Yeah.
Me not have no more fear. Like from a grandfather drop out.
Mm-hmm.
It's
You're
like
afraid again.
I'm not afraid again.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not afraid again. I just feel I not believe in a this whole idea of Duppy or nothing like that.
Yeah.
I don't know everybody have their own belief and their own experience, but me not have no experience. Me can't see them.
Me never see them.
Me head never grow big yet. As
yeah, me head grow big. Me head grow big because we did young them time there,
Yeah, back to there them time.
Yeah, but like getting older and old people say them head was big and so like. But when we did younger, the whole of my hand and foot burn up because me I run from Duppy. Me I hide from Duppy. Duppy something when me not know. And when I look on the whole of them, I know me still have the mark them on me hand and this mark right that's up on my leg. I have them because me I hide under we did have wood fire. A wood fire we used to do. And them time them maybe about 10 or so. And my grandfather sent me out a door in a dark night to go hot water, go light wood fire. And me sit down underneath the counter because me hear steppings outside and everybody lock up in the house and Me not have no light in the kitchen because me no want no light. Me no want the Duppy see me. So me I hide under the counter because me hear the walking and go on out the door. It could be the dog, you know, because wild dog always there all about the place. But me hear the step in and me go cringe up underneath the counter under the fire and the water turn over upon me and burn me up. Yo, Duppy caused that because I'm afraid of Duppy.
And you see, it's just a belief, you know. It's just a belief, you know, because at night the place dark and you can't see.
You
We
can't
see for
see.
day now, you will see
Yeah.
you will hear the sound,
Right.
and when you look, you see says a dog,
Right.
you see says a post,
Right.
you see says a whatever move. But when you can't see nothing and you hear the sound,
Exactly.
it's just a mind thing, you know, man. It's just a
Mind.
mental. You
Mind.
just tell yourself, you just a believe. You just tell yourself, say, and then you grow up on this Duppy thing, and
Duppy. Everybody I talk about Duppy,
You
Duppy,
just-
Duppy.
yeah.
So it just bring this
Because-
fear in you.
And to all them talk about Duppy too. Look at this now. I seen so big, you know, we have them kind of knowledge now. You know. When you're youth, you know, have the knowledge, them knowledge. You know.
Because we never yet see it, so we are saying it cannot be exist.
Right. All right, look at this now. Them talk about Duppy, you know, like Duppy is like the way them talk about Duppy is like a god. God
Yeah.
see everything and know everything.
Right.
Same so they say with Duppy, you know, you can't hide from Duppy. Duppy can walk through wall. Duppy can do this, you know.
And then when you watch certain movie, it'll tell you the same thing. So it'll do the same
So
thing.
you can't hide from Duppy. Right? So when you are hiding in the kitchen, that's something I just a mental thing, you know,
Yeah.
but we don't know, you know, we don't know better.
We don't know better.
Because if I be the case, then Duppy just come for you. Duppy want you. Duppy just walk through the wall, and just come take you and whatever.
But in them time there, because we never have TV, so we never used to watch to see Duppy, Duppy come through this and Duppy come through that. We never know say Duppy could have come through wall. In them time there when me hide under the shelf, me just say if the Duppy come in the kitchen, he not go see me. Cause them time them made about 10, 9 of 10, them time there. You know? So me I hide underneath the counter and I say, cause I hear the walking outside and everybody lock up in the house. Oh God, that the night everybody.
But then say the best way to hide enough, hide the face.
You never hear that one.
See, if you don't see the person I'll see you.
It's crazy.
You just hide the face.
That
So
is-
that's enough people hide, you know. Them buck up in somebody where they don't want to see them, they just turn on them face. Like the person know them body.
But think I saw them cover them face. Just on their face, huh?
Just hide the face,
Okay.
like you hide and you just make sure you hide
Yeah.
the face and cover your
Okay.
face. But your body left out there. So with the Duppy now go see your face. The Duppy just want your body.
Yeah.
But it's no Duppy, man, I tell you. Duppy and woman get the most bad name, man.
For real.
Most bad name.
Since me big of kids and everything when me did live in the house. The house where we rent, somebody did burn up and dead in there. And when we rent the house we never know. And one night me literally and them time they know me only did in my panty and me little top. Cause them time them never used to just like sleep in our clothes. And you know say me get up.
Nobody.
Yeah. You know, say, me get up and I tell the person to come out of the house, the person in this white dress. And I know one time, 3 times it happened. And me just see the person, but me a sleepwalk. And me I say, why you always coming in here? Like me I say, why you always are coming here? Why you always are coming here? Come out, man. Come out. And me I tell them to come out and me get
So
up and I
literally-
sleepwalk.
Oh.
Get up and a sleepwalk and like me know which part the key there, but like me take up the key and one time me never know which part the key, like me don't know where the key there, me never have the key, but me when me I turn the grill and I turn the lock and I tell her to come out, at that the time I realize say me asleep.
So the
One
morning
night I
come to
think Shana K say, Mommy, warm to you, yeah, alright, something like that. One of them, somebody in the house say, Mommy, warm to you. Why you are said that or something, you know? But that literally happened like 3 times. 3 times down there.
So what do you think of it?
I don't know.
What you believe? What was your belief?
Because I sleepwalk. It's like maybe me a dream and me never yet have her upon my mind. That's a number one because me never afraid. But when me just hear say she did burn in the house or she burned down before and she burned up in there and she dead in there, that did kind of like give me a little, skepticism. about it say, why me rent somewhere where somebody burn up and dead in there? Them tormenting at this place, yeah? You know?
We got a country where country people, certain hours country people, nah, down the road.
Yeah.
Certain hours country people don't know that me upon the road. Either me I go somewhere, I come from somewhere. And when me talk the next day, when I'll tell all my brother, when me come from and when me walk past him, I say, yo, I paid up in there, right? They say, I paid up in nobody no walk past this at night time, you know. I'm saying, him say, yeah man, and him tell me which part on the road where you have a whole heap of tree and them here. Him say, I paid up in live under that tree there. So me I say, no, me never see none of them yet.
Yeah.
I'm a pass there so much time. But me not lie, you see if him tell me,
Yeah,
when me pass there, me have a heavy heart. And I say, look how long me walk past there, so man. Well, I never feel that way. And from the man tell me still pass there. But when me pass there, it's like my breath stop.
Yeah. Yo, it's true. Like,
and you don't feel better until a long past
Yeah.
there. So man, it reach a stage when I time him tell me, say,
yeah, man, you know?
yeah. When I time him tell me, say, yo, say anyway there until 12 o'clock or so.
Stay there.
Just stay there, man. They want to come home. And then man, they live down there, you know.
Yeah.
And live down there. I meet up on the road. When me tell some people what time I up on the road and whatsoever. Then say, yeah, good. Me tell them when I'm afraid of.
Yeah, we used to walk in that
Afraid
road.
of living people.
Yeah, I'm afraid of dead people.
You're dead, man.
Yeah.
All their power's gone when they drop flesh, man.
The thing is this, you know, we as a child we used to fear because when night come down we used to walk like one of we now really gone away like that. It have to be 2 or 3.
And you notice the people nowadays are so afraid of them.
No.
You tell them about Duppy them so
I never yet tell me pitney. I can't remember having a Duppy conversation with my kids them.
They pitney and laugh after
Yeah, me don't remember having certain things when I grew up and it just not feel real. Me no bother put it in my kids them head. When they grew up now. Enough things when me I tell them now, them never even know about me. And now me just I tell them, come me no want to pack up them head with fear and them something then.
Like how we come.
Yeah, me no pack up them head with fear. We no pack it up because we grew up with a lot of fear.
Growing up with my mother, it's when I live with my father. It's like, me never hear my father talk about certain things. When I live with my father at White House.
Yeah.
But because we can't take all of a beating,
You go live with them.
we run and go live with my mother. So, we live with my mother now that not say me get you. Live with my mother now that not say me get you from beating, you know. But me can get away.
Yeah.
With my father, you can't get away with nothing. With my mother now, me can get away. But
That's what my father used to state.
But with the mother now, she afraid, yo. Afraid.
Yeah.
Duppy.
Yeah. So,
Duppy. If I hurt her, Duppy a trouble her. Oh, Duppy. And it just put a fear in her way. I was spitting it.
And another thing, you know, evil out there, you know. But one of the things when I always never believe in, you know, the people put Duppy on me. Or when them, if anything happened to me and they must say, be careful because people born that. Me don't want to believe in them sitting there. Like them something there, me don't want to believe in it. Like if you want to do that or feel like that real and you can do it to somebody, go and go do it, and when you do it, you will have to talk to God about that. Me don't want to think about
something.
Me
experience something. This is what my mother live now. When she delivered in the apartment before, when now she living now, first one. Because I never live with her, and she always tell me, say, I'm telling her she alone used to stay in the apartment. And she always complain to me and tell me, say, Duppy in the apartment with her. And I say, stop your foolishness now about Duppy. And you know, she said, alright, me know. She said, being at the house and you're pot in the kitchen like somebody there cook and all them way there. I say, stop your foolishness, you know?
Yeah.
You know, so it reached a stage where me end up live back with my mother. That's how I just come to America. People. Me end up live back with my mother. But my mother work at night. So my mother would go and work and me alone in the house. I mean, literally hear it when my mother talk about. I somehow believe my mother. Me in the house and hear it.
Pot.
Yeah, in the kitchen. You know the apartment that they set up. In the kitchen, I hear it.
That's about up at 1B?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I'm in there, hear it. And get up and go in the kitchen and turn on the light and stay so look. I say, but me just tell myself, say, is not in this apartment. As someone else and it sound like in here.
Yeah.
Because if Duppy in here cook, when we go in there and turn on the light, maybe me see one of the pot, they run left the pot. And one of the pot left right or so, or a pot left there so, and the stove on or something. If Duppy in there cook. But if Duppy in there cook and when we come and go turn on the light, everything in order, what am I cook with? What did I make the nice? Which pot them I use? The invisible pot too?
Yeah.
Them I use?
They make up nice.
If them pot invisible, then it should not make nice.
Yeah, sometimes you hear some sound.
And the most time in my life, when I lay down, literally feel like something hold me down in that apartment. Yeah. Yes, me get some experience in that apartment that will make me have a certain belief. It's not a Duppy belief, but it's just... It's just different in that apartment. Me literally, me alone in there at night time and lay down, and before me even fall asleep, it's like my eye open and me awake and I'm conscious, but me can't move like something hold me down in the bed. And it will happen to me the whole night. If me not get up and do something, because me always have rum or alcohol and them way there. If me not get up and do something, most of the things that me used to do, I like...
That scare me now.
I like drink some of the rum, rub up myself with the rum, or flash the rum in the room. If me not do something like that, I can't sleep.
But them say when you flash rum like that, you call them pine. And if that's
well, for so.
Yeah.
But if me not do something like that, it's like me can't sleep. It happened to me at Jamaica, but not as much as over this. And from left over this, it happened to me again. No, it maybe happened to me one time a Prospect, or maybe one time here, but me not have no feeling like, no funny feeling and worry about it. Because them say that a nightmare, When it happened to you already, like, you're not asleep, you're conscious, but you just can't move. Right. And it take a little while for wear off. Yeah, them say a nightmare, but in that apartment, they happen too much time and it too plain. Sometimes you feel like a weight come down from a part of my body. Like me there, I feel like a weight come down from my foot. And then now I can't move. I just can't move and me not sleep. My head them wide open and everything, but me just can't move. And me feel say me attack. And I say something. And sometimes my mother was there too. Somebody else was there and I say something for them to hear me. They can't hear me. Yeah, it happened to me. I know enough people, it happened to enough people. Enough people can...
You never tell me this before.
Yeah, but the happenings that happen to a lot of people. A lot of people can give a call for that.
You never tell me because I'm scared.
Yeah, me just know...
You want to put no fear in me?
Yeah, me not put it on me and say, and come to know a decision and say, Duppy or ghost or nothing like that. Right. Me I believe in Thomas. I don't like to see have a reasoning with a Duppy. If Duppy real, you don't like to reason with them. Ask them certain questions, Yeah. We don't know for reason with them. Because for Duppy, the way some people talk about Duppy, it's like them talk about somebody else where them can relate to, where them can talk a conversation with. Right. You hear some people give some story. You wonder. But me I believe in Thomas still, and me work off of my experience. When me experience, I believe in it. If I don't experience it, I think it impossible, I don't believe it. It's just me that.
For real.
It's just me that. I mean, I believe in things I never see yet. But you can believe in things where you feel. But things where you see with your own two eyes, nobody can tell you nothing. You have your own experience. Everybody has their own experience. If you tell me say you sit up here already, the only thing I'm going to say, I wish I could have seen them. Yeah. Because if I'm going to talk to them if you see them. I'm going to talk to them. I mean, I see them and catch my afraid and run and hide and like me either. I'm going to talk to them.
I will send you come here some of you where you there so though.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Talk to me where you come from, where you live.
Yeah.
When you're hungry, where you eat. And who you related to.
Some question.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so that's the Duppy story come to an end. So we're gonna go guys, and we thank you so much for watching our videos, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you care.
As usual.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Yes. Hit the notification bell.
The notification. Hit the notification bell.
So we always know when we upload. And what you say, babes? You know, so now watch a video, you know.
No, no watch a video, you know, but I so now like and I comment and I share the thing now. And now hit the bell, you know.
I don't know if you share it here.
I don't know if I do it.
Bless up on yourself, guys. Peace. We're out. Yes, babes, you look so nice in a white. You look like an angel. You need to wear white every morning, you know. Every day when we have black, I gotta wear white.
You look like an angel.
Yes.
See a black angel?
Of course.
You think so? Yeah, angel white. To every year, we grow up on every year. You know what I mean? You think so? Angel white? No, yeah, black angel. You know.
Once you're in a white, you're an angel.
No matter what color you have.
No. An angel is an angel. And you're in white. So, your color not.
I mean, never know say you have man angel too. You think say angel white, man? Female white. Because you know watch anything and you say angel, like no white woman, you say.
I don't even know.
White and long hair and something. I don't know. I don't know. I just talk about what I used to say, you know.